Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how can you download Audacity on your computer. So for downloading it, search here for the Audacity. Now go to this first link. Now click on this download Audacity. So here you can see downloading has been started. So let's wait till the downloading ends. And then I will show you how can you install it. So as you can see here, it is now downloaded. Now double click it to install it and just wait till the installer launches. So if any pop-up shows on your screen, click on yes. So here you can see Audacity is launching. So just wait till this installs and launches on my computer. Okay, so you have to download the Audacity from here. So now click on this. So here you can see Audacity is downloading. Let's wait till the downloading ends. So here you can see it is now installing Audacity. So if any pop-up shows on your screen, click on yes. So here you can see here is a launch button. Now click on it to launch the Audacity on your computer. So here you can see Audacity is now launching. So let's wait till this open. So here you can see now the Audacity has been opened. Now you can start editing your audio files using Audacity. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.